Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Martha G. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this presentation title slide with PowerPoint. So let's get started. The topic of this presentation is about the magic hidden in a book. In a world filled with endless distractions and fast-paced living, finding a moment of peace and inspiration can seem like a daunting task. However, there is one timeless tool that has the power to transport us to new worlds, ignite our imagination and spark our creativity: a book. The magic hidden within the pages of a book is not only a source of entertainment, but also a gateway to unlocking our inner creativity. We got the images from Pixabay. We will put the link below in the description to make it easier for you to follow the steps of creating this slide with us so you can practice with us. Of course, you can also choose any image you want that is related to the theme of the presentation and follow the steps of our design. For convenience, as usual, next to the design area we have placed the colors we will be using along with their hex codes on that particular title slide so you can practice with us. In this presentation we will play with an image and the oval shape. The colors we will use will be taken from the image to have an harmonious and matching result on our slide. First, we want to insert the image. We go to Insert ribbon, we choose Picture, this device, we choose the image that we want to insert and click Insert. Then we adjust the image to cover the entire slide with the help of a white dot. Click the white dot, drag and release it until it meets the borders of our slide. Then we want to add an oval shape. We go to Insert, Shapes, click Oval, click in the design area, drag and release it. We go to Shape Format, Size, Height, and we choose 17 cm. It's about, if you have inches in your settings, it's about 6.69 inches, and width 14 cm. It's about 5.51 inches. Of course, if you want, you can change the measurement unit in centimeters from your settings. Then, we want to color the oval shape. We go to right-click Format Shape. We go Fill, Gradient Fill. We choose to have 4 gradient stops. We go to the first gradient stop, Color, Eyedropper. We choose the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Second gradient stop, Color, Eyedropper. We choose the second color from the left side outside of the design area. Third color, Color, Eyedropper. We choose the third color from the left side outside of the design area. Fourth and last color, Eyedropper. We choose the fourth color from the left side outside of the design area. Line, solid line. We choose with Eyedropper the first color from the left side outside of the design area. Width we choose 4.5. And compound time we choose the double line, and we go to the effects, glow, color, we choose the theme color blue. Size 40 points, transparency 60%. And close format shape. Now we want to insert our title. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose Font Times New Roman, size 40, bold, and text shadow, and color white, and we write our title. The magic within a book, embracing fantasy as a gateway to creativity. We adjust the title. We go to Home ribbon, center the text, and we put it in the desired position. We go to Shape Format, Word Art Styles, first row, fourth column. Then we go to Insert the presenter's name. We go to Insert, click Text Box, click inside the design area, drag and release it. We choose Font Times New Roman, size 28, bold and shadow, color white, and we write our presenter's name by Martha G. Santos. We adjust the presenter's name. and we go to Shape Format Word Art Styles. We choose the first row, the fourth column, Word Art Style. Now the last touch designing this slide is to add a transparent rectangle into the entire slide. We go to Insert, click Shapes, click Rectangle, click inside the design area from the upper left corner to the lower right corner of the slide. We choose Shape Format, Shape Fill, Color, the fourth color from blue colors. Shape Outline, no outline. Right click, Format Shape, we go to Transparency and we put 85%. Right click, Send to Back, Send Backward. Right click, Send to Back, Send Backward. Right click, Send Back, Send Backward. We want the title, the presenter's name and the oval shape to be in front. And now that we are done designing the title slide, we will put in the animations. We go to the image, animation, click Fade, start with previews, duration 0.50. We go to the transparent rectangle, we choose Fade, start after previews, duration 0.50. We go to the oval shape, we choose Zoom from animations, start after previews, duration 1. Effect options, object center as it is. We go to the title, animation zoom, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, object center as one object as it is. We go at the presenter's name, animations zoom, start after previews, duration 1, effect options, object center as one object as it is. And then we go to the slideshow button to see the final result. Click slideshow. And that's it. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching us. If you want, you can press the like and the subscribe button. We are waiting for you in the next video. Bye!